Hello dear aspirants. Yesterday I have got a message on my phone which asked that, sir, how did you come up with the idea of 50 seats in a batch with personal attention? So, my dear aspirants, it is not my idea. Actually, it is the demand of the UPSC. Like if you go through the UPSC, first of all, the very inherent nature of UPSC is quite individualistic. It is not based on collective effort like a football team. It is more or less like wrestling, a personal effort. Secondly, as you know, that in this examination, students or aspirants come from a diversified background, variety of approach, with different mindset and mentality. And this exam is quite generalized in nature. It has a uniformity. So to transform an aspirant from an academic diversified field and approach to a competitive administrative approach, everybody, like we people, means the faculties or coachings or institutes, they require this personal attention, an optimal number of students in the class. And third, if you have seen the previous papers, UPSC always asks questions on the basis of logical thinking, in-depth analysis, opinion-based, discussion-based. And these all questions cannot be developed in mind without any proper teacher-taught relationship. And for that, again, a personal attention is required. And fourth, for aspirants, class requires a practical approach, not a theoretical approach. A class where the aspirants could participate in the discussion, in the analysis. They could make their opinion. They could discuss with the faculties. Faculty should help students to develop the administrative traits in the aspirants, which is the demand of the examination. And finally, I have came through lakhs of students in my last 2 decades career as a mentor or a guide. And what I have found, that lots of students were not able to crack the examination due to lack of proper direction. So it is not the time. Direction matters a lot. If they could have personal attention in a class, after the class, in problem solving, doubt clearing, they could have selected. So by all these things, what came up in our mind, that there should be an optimal students in the class to which a faculty could handle, a better teacher-taught relationship be maintained in the class, and after class, faculty should be able to discuss individually to the students for their problems, for their proper nurture and development. So each and everybody could able to compete the exam with full of their potential. Because this exam is completely based on practical approach. And we know that if even in an agriculture field, if we sow seeds, we cannot put all the seeds at one place. None of them grow. So optimum number of students in class will be beneficial for both of faculty as well as the students. And we are not here for the money, dears. We are here to serve the students for their success. So our slogan, why in crowd, that fits for this according to demand of UPSC. Thank you, dear.